Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn off all vibrations on your iPhone. Vibrations can be useful for notifications and alerts, but sometimes you might want to disable them entirely. Whether you're looking for a quieter experience or just prefer not to have any vibrations, I'll guide you through the steps to customize and disable these settings on your iPhone. First, let's start by navigating to the basic settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and select Sounds and Haptics. In this section, you will find various options for customizing vibrations and haptic feedback. One key option here is simply called Haptics. When you tap on Haptics, you'll see multiple options for how and when haptics should play. If you want to disable them altogether, select the option called Never Play. This setting will turn off all haptic feedback on your iPhone. Alternatively, you might prefer to have haptics only in certain modes. For instance, you can choose Play in Silent mode if you want vibrations when your phone is on silent, or you can set it to play haptics only in ring mode and not in silent mode. Scrolling further down, you'll find additional settings that allow you to disable system haptics and sounds, such as keyboard clicks and unlock sounds. If you prefer a completely silent experience, you might want to turn these off as well. Disabling system haptics will stop vibrations when you perform actions like typing or using 3D touch. However, if your goal is to disable all vibrations on your iPhone, you need to take an extra step. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down to find the accessibility section. Tap on touch, and inside there scroll down until you see the option called vibration. This setting is particularly important because it's completely separate from the other haptics settings we've discussed. When you toggle off vibration here, it will turn off all vibrations on your iPhone, including those for emergency alerts and other safety warnings. This ensures that no vibrations will occur, providing a completely vibration-free experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable vibrations on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.